packed up and ready for off again. We're in the hills above the town of Braga, and we are heading up to a shrine called Bom Jesus, or Bom Jesus, as they would say it in Portugal.
Glen's gonna hike it, and I'm just gonna stay in the car.
Yeah, I'm gonna hike to the top from here.
You will arrive at your destination.
Oh, school trip in there? That's cool.
Somebody rode the horse up.
Oh, right. And we've arrived.
Look at the view. That's how high we are. So we got to the top of the hill and the parking at Bom Jesus. Now it is a walk. A little boating pond. Looks like you can rent rowboats there. And take your sweetheart for a romantic row around the pond under the bridges. Play park for the kids. Little cafe for your morning coffee. Grab a fresh drink. That's cool, isn't it? Well, here's the first part of the shrine, monument, whatever you want to call it. It's like a hexagon-shaped courtyard with 1, 2, 3 of these towers and a really neat fountain. Look at this fountain. It's actually a bull. If you look on the wall over there, I don't know if you can read that on film, but this is actually a World Heritage Site. That's kind of cool to know. And look at this place, this is pretty cool. There's stalactites and stalagmites at this cave. I wish I knew the significance of the cave, but there's no signage there to tell you the history. But sure, a neat spot. Very busy with school parties, school kids. Parties of school kids on day trips. It's a pretty sweet place to visit if you're a schoolie. Okay, this is the front of the basilica. Wow, impressive. Beautiful gardens. And the view is tremendous from here. Yeah, that basilica is something else. There's not that many World Heritage Sites in the world. We've been lucky enough in our travels to go to, I think, of 4 or 5 in other continents. But this one is beautiful. We're so lucky to be here. Okay, head down to the lower level. Let's check out these gardens. Here's a neat fountain. Very tranquil sounding. I love the sound of running water. So manicured, the flower beds. And then the steps and the whole basilica gardens go all the way down. All the way down to the bottom. And I'm not going to go all the way down there. the view is just beautiful up here. Let's get a better shot of the view here. Statues are really cool. And the view from the top is crazy high. No wonder our ears were popping on the way up. Yeah, it's just beautiful up here. You know, I must say I am absolutely blown away with the architecture throughout Portugal. I have no clue. Oh, nice. What time is it? It's noon. We should get 12 bells. Oh wow, carrying on, we got a full tune. I shouldn't talk above it, but I'm going to anyway. But yeah, the architecture all over Portugal, they've blown us away. It's so historical. Even the modern towns all have old town centres, and they're just beautiful. That's a lot of bells. I wonder why there was a crowd gathering up there. Obviously people knew there was going to be a beautiful bell ensemble, and it sure was. Okay, we'll take a walk back up and see if we can actually go inside the Basilica building. The beautiful flowers. This is inside the main Basilica building. Beautiful in there. Unbelievable. And that's the white flowers, because there was obviously a wedding happening. Yeah, what a special experience, and what a special place for that young couple to be married. Wow. Yeah, such a wonderful, peaceful place up here. Top of the mountain. There's lots of people around, but it just seems so peaceful. Well, you know the old saying, what goes up must come down. In this case, it's who walks down must walk up. And this is a steep hill, man. Made it up the hill, and that's what happens when you make it up the hill and you're not very fit. Hope she's okay. We're back at the boating pond. I'm sure Rhonda would love me to row her around in that. And I hope our car is around the corner. Almost got lost here. Yay, there it is. I think I'll guzzle a litre of water here now when I get back. I've got to take a bottle with me. Crazy guy.